Hello students.
Hello.
Today we are going to learn how to write in cursive. So actually you know the letter A to Z. Now we are going to learn how to write cursive A to Z. Now listen. First letter is what? A. Okay. So we will write here A like this. See. A. Got it?
Yes.
A. Then B. Start from this. B. Use only 3 letters. In cursive writing, some very few letters are there which use 4 lines. But all the capital letters from A to Z, we will write in 3 lines. Which letter should be write in 4 lines? We will see later. A, B, then what is next?
C.
So this is C. Wait. C. Then D. Start D from here. From here. C. From the upper line. Like this. Then this. Then this. Then this. Understood D?
Yes.
Now we will write E. E like this. After that, F. While writing F, some letters are confusing. F, T, I, J. That time, please observe carefully. Now this is E, then F. So write F from this, and one little horizontal line. Got it?
Yes.
Now we will write G. Now tell me G is in how many lines?
4.
Whole 4 lines we will use for G. Got it?
Yes.
Then H. H like this. Observe. Like F. But then H. Now here in this A, the second slant line we start from this. It goes to up. Then this down. And then like this. But this and this way we will do here. Listen. Observe. Got it?
Yes.
H. Then I. We will write I here because I and J are slightly same. But the difference is what? Let's see. I. Okay?
Yes.
Then G. Now see K. K is like this. Huh? Then this is K. Then L. Understand? L. I, J, K, L. After that M. M is very simple. Just take the lines. M. Then N. Okay? After that O. O. Now after O you will write
P.
P. No, it is wrong. P. Okay? After that Q. Start from here. This is Q. Start from this side. This is Q. Then R. R is like this. The stroke we have given to B. You can move like this here. Now this stroke we have to draw while writing R. See. This is R. Same stroke. Okay, R. Then S. S is like this. Yes. Okay, R, S, then R, S, then T. T. So T is like F. T is like F. But don't give small horizontal line in between. Only this is T. Finish. Got it? So don't get confused. If there is horizontal line, then it is F. And when there is no horizontal line, it is T. Then you like that only, but write in 3 lines. Okay? So, this is U. Then V. V. One curved slant line and then curved line, making the small hole or circle. Then W. W is also very simple. W. Okay. Then X. See X. X is like inverted or flipped C, and then this. But we can write it without lifting the pen like this. X. Then Y. Listen, next letter is Y, and Y is in 4 lines. So we will write here Y. Then Z. See Z, how it goes. Like this. How many lines?
4.
How many lines? 4 lines. Understand?
Yes.
Y and Z. So, could you tell me how many letters are there which should write in 4 lines while writing cursive? 3. Okay. Which are they? Yes, tell Aisha.
G, Y, J.
G, Y and Z, and one more there.
J.
J. Means how many letters?
4.
4 letters we can write in 4 lines while writing in cursive. Got it?
Yes.
Thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe, share the video, and don't forget to comment on the comment box. Thank you.